Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add a password to a Microsoft Word document step by step to keep your file secure. First of all, open the Microsoft Word and open the documents that you want to protect with password. Now go to the top left corner and click on File. After clicking File, make sure Info is selected from the left menu. Next, click on Protect Document. A small menu will appear. From the menu, click on Encrypt with Password. Now type your password carefully. Use a strong password. Remember this password because Word cannot recover it. And click OK. Now re-enter the password. Now re-enter the same password again and click OK. That's it. Your Word document is now password protected. Next time anyone opens this file, they must enter the password to access it. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.